In the enigmatic world of alchemy, the green lion devouring the sun is a powerful symbol shrouded in both chemical and spiritual significance. This image has fascinated scholars and mystics for centuries, inviting them to delve deeper into its layered meanings. But what secrets does this image hold? To understand, we must explore both the scientific and esoteric dimensions of this symbol. Scientifically, the green lion refers to green vitriol or iron-second sulfate, a volatile green chemical. This substance was a staple in the alchemist's laboratory, known for its transformative properties. When heated, it decomposes to produce sulfuric acid, a substance capable of powerful transformations. This reaction was not just a chemical process, but a metaphor for deeper spiritual alchemy. Sulfuric acid, with its ability to break down and dissolve materials, symbolizes the alchemical process of purification and transformation. It is a key element in the quest to transmute base metals into gold. In alchemical symbolism, the sun represents gold, the purest of metals. Gold is not just a physical substance, but a symbol of ultimate perfection and enlightenment. Gold signifies ultimate perfection, enlightenment, and the culmination of the alchemist's quest. It is the end goal, the magnum opus, representing the highest state of spiritual and material achievement. The alchemist's quest for gold is a metaphor for the journey towards self-realization and spiritual enlightenment. It is a path filled with trials, tribulations, and profound transformations. The sulfuric acid derived from green vitriol can dissolve metals, a process echoing the green lion's consumption of the sun. This dissolution is a necessary step in the alchemical process, breaking down the old to make way for the new. This reaction symbolizes the breakdown of materials to facilitate transformation. It is a vivid illustration of the alchemical principle of solve et coagula, dissolve and coagulate. This principle is central to alchemy, emphasizing the need to break down existing structures to create something new and more refined. It is a process of continuous transformation and renewal. Spiritually, the green lion represents the raw, untamed aspects of ourselves, our base desires and ego. These are the parts of us that must be confronted and transformed to achieve higher states of consciousness. Devouring the sun signifies the need to dissolve these aspects to attain spiritual gold, enlightenment and self-realization. It is a call to inner alchemy, the transformation of the self. Just as the green lion dissolves the sun, we must break down our limiting beliefs and old patterns. This process of dissolution is essential for personal growth and the transmutation of the soul. It is through this inner work that we can achieve true enlightenment and self-realization. Embark on your journey of transformation with Philosophers Fuel. This journey is not just about changing the external, but transforming the internal, aligning with the ancient wisdom of the alchemists. Dive deep into ancient wisdom and discover how alchemy's secrets can ignite change in your life. Embrace the alchemical process and unlock the mysteries of the green lion and the sun.